Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to fix that annoying zoomed-in screen on your iPhone. It happens to the best of us. Maybe you accidentally activated it, or maybe a little one was playing with your phone. Whatever the reason, it's super frustrating when your icons are huge and you can't navigate properly. But don't worry. This is a common problem with a really easy fix. We're going to walk through a few simple methods to get your screen back to normal in just a few seconds. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more quick tech tips and tricks. We release new videos every week, so you won't want to miss out. Okay, let's get started. We'll cover three main methods: using the zoom feature, using Siri, and restarting your iPhone. Method 1. Using the zoom feature, the most common solution. This is usually the culprit. Your iPhone has a built-in zoom feature that can be easily turned on or off. Here's how to fix it. 1. Take 3 fingers and double-tap anywhere on the screen. Yep, that's it. Double-tap with 3 fingers. 2. If that doesn't work, double-tap again with 3 fingers. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries. 3. If your screen is zoomed way in, you might need to drag your 3 fingers around to find the area where double-tapping works. Think of it as zooming out by dragging. 4. Once you've successfully zoomed out, you can disable the zoom feature entirely to prevent this from happening again. Go to Settings, Accessibility Zoom. 5. Toggle the zoom switch to the off position. It should turn gray. Method 2. Using Siri. Sometimes, the 3-finger method can be a little finicky. In that case, you can ask Siri to do the work for you. 1. Activate Siri by saying "Hey Siri," or holding down the side button or home button, depending on your iPhone model. 2. Say, "Turn off zoom." 3. Siri should confirm that zoom has been turned off, and your screen should return to normal. Method 3. Restarting your iPhone. If neither of the above methods works, it's time for a good old-fashioned restart. 1. For iPhones with Face ID, iPhone 10 and newer, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. 2. For iPhones with a home button, press and hold the side button, or the top button, on older models, until the power off slider appears. 3. Drag the slider to power off your iPhone. 4. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button or top button, again until you see the Apple logo. Restarting can sometimes resolve software glitches that might be interfering with the zoom feature. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to fix a zoomed-in iPhone screen. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. If you're still having trouble, let us know in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.